Hey guys, I just want to give you a very short introduction about SSH. SSH stands for Secure Shell and is a way to securely connect to your web host. To do so, I'm going to use SSH once with a terminal and then with a Secure Shell application to be used for Windows. So I'm going to open my terminal. When I open my terminal, easily I can type SSH and then my BU username at then I need to write down the name of the server that I'm gonna connect to. So here is the computer science department, actually server at BU, and press enter. So here I need to put my BU in Kerberos, and now I connected to actually BU server, or better to say that I connected to my account in BU server. There is another way to connect to your web host, especially if you do not have a Mac. You can use your Google Chrome, and when you go to your Google Chrome, you can go to your applications, and in the applications, you will see an application called Secure Shell App. In one of in one of those 5 actions, you were supposed to uh, install Secure Shell app on your Chrome browser. So I'm going to click on this application. When I click on this application, you will see um, this window, and in this window you are supposed to do the same thing actually. So here you have to use your BU username and then the name of the server of the BU, and at the end you have to say colon and 22 as the port number. So if you put all these information here and then you enter connect, you will be connected to your web host. But first you need to put your password here. Okay, now you see I again connected to my account in the CS server. If you want to use FileZilla as an FTP software to connect to your web host, FileZilla includes 4 tabs, one for host, username, password, and port. In the host tab, you have to put the name of the server. In our case, name of the server is csa1.bu.edu. The username should be your BU username without at bu.edu, just the username. Ranjbar is my username. Password should be the BU Kerberos that you have, and the port number is going to be 22. If it doesn't work, use 21. So then push quick connect. Then press OK. So now you are connected to your web host through an FTP software called FileZilla. So when you connect it to your web host, there are actually 4 windows: window number 1, window number 2, window number 3, and window number 4. The windows at the left side are your computer, your local computer. As you see, there is a desktop. On the desktop, I can see Samira, and as you see here, there is a folder on my website called Samira. The right windows are your web host under the CS servers. So there are multiple folders here. You may not know about them right now. One of them is called public HTML. Everything inside this folder is accessible to the World Wide Web, means that everybody can see them. If I go inside public HTML, you see lots of files and folders. So everybody in the web has a way to access all these files, not to remove them, not to move them, just to see them by using a browser. This folder having double dots is helping me to come back to the previous folder by double clicking on this folder, actually on this double dot here. Double click, I can come back to the parents folder. So this is the parents folder for public HTML.